Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at two 10 out of 10 healthcare stocks. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and happy holidays. Today we're taking a look at two stocks in the healthcare sector, particularly two companies that both deal with medical products and devices. And they score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score. That is a data-driven score that looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. And on top of that perfect 10 score, they're also rated a strong buy amongst analysts. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I found these using TipRank's Stock Screener. Found underneath the screener menu, I put in just a few filters here, including a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score, a strong buy analyst consensus, and the healthcare sector to get our list of companies down below. You can check out the stock screener for yourself right on the TipRanks website or on the TipRanks mobile app. And just a reminder that the stock market is closed early for Christmas Eve and closed on Christmas Day, so I hope you all enjoy your holidays. To celebrate Christmas, TipRanks is having one of their biggest sales ever, with 70% off TipRanks premium subscriptions. So if you want to treat yourself to some premium research tools for this holiday, now's the time to do so. Links will be in the description down below. Now let's jump right into our two perfect 10 healthcare stocks. First up, we're looking at West Pharmaceutical Services. They trade under the ticker WST, currently priced at $275 per share. They are down 17% in the past year after dropping off back in February, but have been climbing back since, gaining 25% over the last 6 months and up 8% in the last 3. They score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score with bullish blogger sentiment, increased hedge fund activity, and positive technicals. West Pharma is a leading global manufacturer and designer of packaging components, container solutions, and delivery systems for injectable drugs and healthcare products. Founded back in 1923 and based in Pennsylvania, the company produces critical components like rubber stoppers, seals, syringe plungers, pre-fillable syringes, and advanced polymer containers. They offer drug delivery devices, including auto-injectors and wearable injectors, along with analytical lab services and regulatory support. Back in October, the company came out with both an earnings and revenue beat, plus an increase to their full-year earnings per share guidance. Earnings per share of $1.96 beat expectations by 27 cents per share, while revenue climbed 5% to $805 million, also beating expectations. Their guidance for 2025 was increased due to strong performance, with their full-year reported revenue expected to be between $3.06 to $3.07 billion. And their GLP-1 elastomers now account for 9% of total company sales, contributing significantly to the growth. Following that quarterly report, we did have a 4-star analyst from TD Cowen initiate coverage on the stock with a buy. And looking at thefly.com for their commentary, they said that West sits at the nexus of multiple sector-wide trends, including injectable biologics, GLP-1s, and expanding regulatory demand that have helped the company evolve from a supplier of standard drug delivery components towards high-value products with higher gross margins. The mix shift to higher value products should sustainably grow revenue and margins long term. West Pharmaceutical has 12 current analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy, with 10 buys and 2 holds. The average price target is $348, implying an upside potential of 26.5%. Looking at those price targets down below, on the low end we have a hold rating with an upside of 3.4%, while on the high end we have a buy rating with an upside of 36%. And for our second stock today, we're looking at Boston Scientific. They trade under the ticker BSX, currently priced at $96 per share. They've had a bit of a bumpier ride this year, a little more volatile. They are up 6.4% overall in the past year, down 6.5% in the last 6 months, and down 2% in the last 3 months. They score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity and very bullish new sentiment. Boston Scientific is a global medical technology company that designs, manufactures, and markets minimally invasive medical devices for interventional specialties. They focus on innovative solutions for cardiology, electrophysiology, structural heart disease, endoscopy, urology, neuromodulation, and peripheral interventions. With products like drug-eluting stents, ablation catheters, pacemakers, and endoscopic tools, Boston Scientific helps improve patient outcomes and reduce recovery times. They also came out with an earnings and revenue beat for their last quarterly report back in October, plus increased their fiscal organic growth guidance to 15.5%. Earnings per share of 75 cents beat estimates by 4 cents per share, while revenue climbed over 20% year over year to $5.07 billion, beating estimates by $100 million. Their U.S. operational growth was 27%, driven by cardiovascular, endoscopy, and neuromodulation, and they raised their full-year earnings per share guidance to $3.02 to $3.04, representing growth of 20 to 21%. Now, in December, we have seen a few analysts slightly lower their price target on Boston Scientific while reiterating buy ratings. One of them being a 4-star analyst from Canaccord who reiterated a buy but lowered his price target by $1, saying that they continue to be bullish on the medtech sector heading into 2026. They point to strong underlying demand from an aging population, a focus on acute healthcare needs, the healthy pace of mergers and acquisitions, and a market that is receptive to IPOs as the foundation for their belief in the positive outlook in the upcoming year. And with 23 current analyst ratings, Boston Scientific is nearly a unanimous buy, with 22 buys and 1 hold. And despite some of those lowered price targets, the average still comes in at $126, which would imply an upside of 31%. Looking at some of those recent price targets down below, all of them have double-digit upside, ranging from 22% all the way up to 45%. So that is a quick look at 2 strong buy stocks in the healthcare sector, both scoring a perfect 10 on the TipRank Smart Score. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thanks so much for watching, happy holidays, and I'll see you back here next time.